Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's time to get back to picking locks. Haven't been feeling too good lately. I'm starting to come out of it, feeling a little better. This is one of the locks I got from Motorist, and it's a little YALE. And I was thinking, how am I going to get in there? Tried a couple of things, but it looks like to me the best thing to do is go top of keyway and use a short flat hook. So that's what I'm going to do. Get out the old Bessie. And by the way, Motorist increased my alphabet collection by 11 letters. I have 6 letters to go to complete the collection. D, E, I, Q, T, and X are the only 6 letters to go. So after much consideration, I figured top of keyway would be the best approach. Get the Jimmy Long short flat hook going in here, see if I can pick this thing. Seemed like a good click out of 4. Not a nice click out of 3. Not much action on 2, if that was 2. I think I'm on 1. There it is. All right. You see that? You heard it go pop? You see how it's open? I got the open. There it is. Nicely, you heard the click. All right. That only took not too long. All right. I'm really happy about that. And that's the little YALE. One of the 11 locks I got from Motorist. There we go. Sorry. Nice little brass padlock. I could have used this for Mini Lock Monday, but I need to get picking locks. I have so much from so many people, and I really need to get picking. I was in a funk there for a while, but I'm coming out of it. Fighting the PD really hard, man. Wow, you have no idea. Whew. So there we go. That was a lot of fun to pick. I like these little locks. All right. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye, everybody.